Hello everyone, I hope you all are good. Welcome to my channel. This is Khushbu here. In today's video we are going to learn about electricity class 10th science chapter number 12. Electricity is a term associated with physics. Now in our home all appliances are run by what? Current. Electricity. The first term associated with this chapter is charge. What is charge? Charge, it is a basic physical property associated with matter due to which it produces and experiences electric and magnetic effects. Whenever there is a flow of current, there will be magnetic field lines, and we can detect the presence of magnetic field lines through compass. Okay, now the first point to be considered is that there are two types of charges: positive, negative. And unlike charges attract each other, and like charges repel out each other. The first thing you should note it down. Second point is static charge. What is static charge? The charges at rest is known as static charge. For example, when we rub a scale over our head, it acquires some charge, and when we bought small pieces of paper near that scale, it get attached to the paper get attached to scale. This is the charge produced in that area is known as static charges at rest. Now third point is charge in motion. Basically charge in motion means when electrons are in motion. We can say that when electrons are in motion, it means they are moving randomly here and there. Electrons have negative charge over them, and therefore they produced electric current. It means free electron produce electric current. In metal which is a good conductor of electricity. Now current electricity. The flow of charge in a closed circuit is known as current electricity. Second point, direction of flow of positive charges is the direction of conventional current. Now what is conventional current? Through this figure, conventional current is a flow of current from positive terminal to negative terminal. You can see that the direction of electron and conventional current are opposite to each other. The direction of electron flow is from negative to positive terminal, whereas the direction of conventional current is from positive to negative. They both goes in reverse direction. Okay, direction of current is opposite to the direction of flow of electrons in a circuit. Same as electrons are moving from negative terminal to positive terminal, whereas conventional from positive to negative. The SI unit of charge is coulomb, denoted by capital C. Charge on one electron is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. This is the charge on one electron. Q equals to Ne. The formula generated will be Q equals to Ne, where Q is charge, N is number of electron, and E is charge on one electron, which is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. Now current. The rate of flow of charges is known as electric current. When there is a flow of electrons, it means there is a flow of charges, and it constitutes current. Current equals to charge upon time. Current is denoted by capital I, and charge by capital Q, and time by capital T. SI unit of current is ampere, denoted by capital A, or we can say that 1 ampere equals to 1 coulomb per second. 1 coulomb per second. As the unit of charge is coulomb, and the unit of time is second, therefore you can say that 1 ampere equals to 1 coulomb per second. It is measured by a meter. Current is always measured by a meter, and it is connected in series. A meter is connected in series. The figure of a meter will be like this. A meter. Now potential difference. What is potential difference? Potential difference is, for example, there is a point charge at point Q. Okay, there is a point charge Q at point A, and we have to move this from A to B. Okay, consider this situation. The positive charge, the positive charge Q is initially at A in uniform electric field E. Moving the charge through distance del r from A to B acquires a work QE, where Q is charge, E is electric field, and delta R is the distance between 2 points A and B. This is the work done in bringing a point charge from one point to another, or you can say that from infinity to a particular point, whatever. So the formula we get from this definition is V equals to VB minus VA equals to work done upon में charge. The SI unit of potential difference is capital V. It is measured by voltmeter. Current is measured by ammeter, and voltage potential difference is measured by voltmeter. It is always connected in parallel. Voltmeter is connected in parallel. Cell is the simplest device which maintain it. मतलब it maintains potential difference. Current always flows from higher potential to the lower potential. Now Ohm's law, very important. What is Ohm's law? The potential difference across the 2 points of metallic conductor is directly proportional. Directly proportional मतलब both are increasing. When voltage is increasing, it means current is also increasing. Current passing through the circuit provided temperature remains constant. Through this graph you can see that current is taken on y-axis and voltage is taken on x-axis. The straight line represent ohmic material. Ohmic material are those material which obey which obey Ohm's law. You can take out the slope. You can also find out the slope of the Ohm's law. Del I upon में del V. It is also known as 1 upon में R. So basically what is Ohm's law? V equals to IR, and V, if voltage is directly proportional to I is current and R is resistance. Now resistance, जैसे कि वहाँ पे R आया था V equals to IR, तो resistance के बारे में पढ़ते हैं. resistance है क्या? resistance एक opposing force है. resistance oppose करता है current के flow को. It opposes the flow of current through the conductor. उसको oppose करता है. Okay, so we can find out the formula of R from this. V equals to IR. तो R का R, what we get? R equals to V by I. R equals to V by I. V is voltage, I is current here. SI unit of resistance is ohm. SI unit of resistance is ohm. The symbol of ohm is like this mentioned here. Now this figure, you can say that from this figure the color coding represent the resistance they carry. It may be 1 ohm, 2 ohm, 3 ohm. It all depends on the color coding. Through color coding you can find it out. Now factors on which resistance depend of a conductor. The first point, directly proportional to the length of conductor. Resistance is directly proportional to the length of conductor and temperature. As the length of conductor increases, लेंथ ऑफ कंडक्टर, फॉर एग्जांपल आपके पास एक वायर, अगर आप उसकी लेंथ इंक्रीज़ करोगे तो उसका रेजिस्टेंस भी इंक्रीज़ होगा. अगर आप टेम्परेचर इंक्रीज़ करोगे तो रेजिस्टेंस भी इंक्रीज़ होगा. और जब रेजिस्टेंस इंक्रीज़ होगा मतलब अपोजिंग फोर्स इंक्रीज़ हो रही है, तो करंट क्या होगा? डिक्रीज़ होगा, क्योंकि हमें पता है रेजिस्टेंस क्या है? अपोजिंग फोर्स है. सेकेंड पॉइंट, इन्वर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल टू एरिया. इन्वर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल टू एरिया मीन्स, फॉर एग्जांपल अगर आपका क्रॉस सेक्शन एरिया बढ़ रहा है वायर का, इट मीन्स रेजिस्टेंस क्या होगा? कम होगा. इट इज़ इन्वर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल. इफ समथिंग इज गोइंग डाउन, if area is going down, then resistance will increase. Third point is nature of material. It also depends on the nature of material. For example, aluminum have its own resistance, gold, tungsten, they have their own resistance, and therefore they are used for different purposes in our home or in many industries also. So we derive the formula of resistance here. R equals to rho. This is rho. Rho means resistivity. R equals to rho L by A. रेजिस्टिविटी, व्हाट इज़ रेजिस्टिविटी? रेजिस्टिविटी इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. कई बार इसकी डेफिनेशन पूछी जाती है एग्जाम में और इसकी यूनिट भी पूछी जाती है, तो आप ध्यान से सुनिएगा. रेजिस्टिविटी क्या होती है? रेजिस्टिविटी, इट इज़ अ कांस्टेंट. बेसिकली इट इज़ अ कांस्टेंट प्रॉपर्टी. द रेजिस्टेंस ऑफ वायर ऑफ 1 मीटर हैविंग एरिया ऑफ 1 स्क्वायर मीटर. फॉर एग्जाम्पल आपके पास एक वायर है, जिसकी लेंथ 1 मीटर है और उसका एरिया, क्रॉस सेक्शन एरिया कितना है, 1 मीटर स्क्वायर। तो देयरफॉर जो रो होगा हमारे पास वो किसके इक्वल आएगा, आर के रेजिस्टेंस की। ठीक है, क्योंकि हमारे पास एरिया 1 मीटर स्क्वायर है और लेंथ ऑफ वायर भी क्या है, 1 मीटर। Through this we can find out the SI unit of resistivity which will be ohm meter. The SI unit of resistivity is ohm meter, क्योंकि एरिया की यूनिट क्या है, मीटर स्क्वायर, और करंट की यूनिट क्या है, मीटर। तो मीटर स्क्वायर में से 1 मीटर कट जाएगा तो कैंसिल आउट हो जाएगा, क्या मिलेगा हमारे पास, ओम मीटर। ओके, दिस इज़ ऑल अबाउट part 1. I hope you may like my video. Please like, share and subscribe it. Thank you for watching.